Okay, hello, my name's Laurie Scholler. I work at the e-learning department at Hull College. You'll have to excuse my voice, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, but we'll go through this tutorial. Now the purposes of this is to show you that with just using a mobile phone or a camera with a SD card, um, or any kind of mobile device like an iPad, anything with a camera in it basically, it's got a memory, you can record your video to that, upload that video directly to YouTube. um, Three different clips. We'll have a start, a middle and an end. So we'll have three different clips that we'll upload to YouTube, and then still within YouTube, without using any programs on the computer, it's got a built-in editor, so we can edit the video together, those three clips, give it some titles at the beginning, some transitions in between the clips, and a little end credit. Put that together. Once that's done and we're happy with the result, we will then go onto the Moodle page and insert that video into the Moodle page so people can view it. Now to do this, obviously you're going to need a camera that's got a digital camera that's got a memory card or a mobile phone, decent mobile phone. Most modern mobile phones have really good cameras now. They're probably quite good. My advice would be never to use the digital zoom. Always move the camera nearer and be aware that the sound is never going to be very good. I've recorded three clips ready for this. I've just recorded next door neighbour's claps, but I've recorded three clips on my phone. And the first thing we're going to need to do then is open up our web browser and go to YouTube. What's the quickest way of doing this? Just type it into Google. There we are. Go onto YouTube. Now I'm not signed in at the moment, but if you want to, if you don't have a YouTube account presently, you can easily create an account. All you need is your Google ID. There's all the information there. But if you want to more information on that, you just have to read through the instructions. Google's much better at describing things than I am, so I'll leave you to that. But I do have an account, so I will sign in. So I'm going to use my email address. Mail.com, my password, which I won't read out if you don't mind, and sign in. And eventually we should get the page with my information. Well, that took a little while, but there we are. Okay, so I'm logged into Google. That's all I need to do for now. We'll leave that open. Now, you're going to need your, if you've got your, you'll need your USB cable to plug your camera or phone, whatever it is, into your computer. So if you've ever taken photos, you hear I've just plugged it in there, taken photos with your digital camera or your phone and got them off onto your computer to upload to Facebook or something, you'll know how to do that. You have to read your own instructions. I can't cover every possible device that's in operation. So with mine, I have to press a little, once I plugged in the USB, it asked me to connect to storage to PC. Which I've just done there. So it's plugged in. Now you may get a little pop-up window coming up saying transfer file. Just close that. I've disabled it on this computer so I don't get that because it annoys me. So now if I go to my computer, I can see the discs here, and I happen to know it's this one, removable disk H. Yours might be different depending on what drives you've got, but that's the one I'm looking for. Now here's on my folder. I want DCIM. Yours will probably be very similar. That's the camera. And there we are on the camera, and there at the top are the three videos of the neighbour's cat. Actually there's four there, but the first one didn't work very well. So there's the four videos. So okay, I know they're there. So if I now go to YouTube, back to YouTube, there's an upload button up there, right there. Fairly simple, straightforward. Select files from computer. Okay. So again, I know where it is. It's in disk H and in DCIM camera. Okay, if I go by date modified, I can see which is the newest one. So there's the three videos there. So select one. I've recorded these really small because I'm at home and the internet's not so fast, so I've just made some very small files. So the quality's not going to be great, but it shows you the basics. Let's upload the first one first. Obviously you could give these a title, but there's not much point there. You can see it uploading. That's the upload progress bar going there. At this point you could give it a title, but because these are only clips, I'm going to use these clips in other videos. There's no need for me to do that now. They're public, that's fine. So there's one uploaded. Ooh, nearly. And processing. Anyway, I don't need to. So while that's processing, I can add more videos down here. Let's get the other one up. Open. Yeah, there's the second one going up. And we'll do another one. The last one, the third one. There we go. So you can see that they're uploading, and it says they'll all be live in a minute. So okay, we'll let those upload. It's not started the other one yet. Oh, it's starting now. So 3 of these will be uploaded shortly. And it's going to take a little while to process those. So while that's happening, I'll just open a new tab in my web browser, and we'll go to the Hull College Moodle site, which is simply type in here moodle.hull-college.ac.uk. Now this should bring up the Moodle page. Yes, there we are. You can see I'm not signed in. You'll need to be, obviously, whichever page you choose to put this on, you're going to need to have editing rights on there. So somebody in your department will have those rights if you're not the user who's going to be using it. But we've got, yes, that's spelled correctly. No, that's not right. And the password for that, you'll know your username and password. So I'll log in to Moodle, and here we are. Now we're now logged in. The page seems to have changed colour for some reason, but anyway. So search courses. Now I know the course on here I'm looking for is Playpen. This should bring up my course. This is the one. So click on the course name. Okay. Now I've already created a little area here, YouTube edited samples. This is where I want to put the page. So if I turn editing on, you'll see the page should change eventually. Yes, there we are. So now we've got all this stuff going on, but there is my little page in number 1. I'll leave it there. So okay, we've found the course and I'm ready to go. So that's the Moodle bit done. Well, not done, but we're ready to start with that. So if I now go back to YouTube, upload complete, upload complete. So I'll go to YouTube. If I go to my name in the top right and click on Video Manager, we'll see what's actually uploaded. And there they are. There's the 3 videos. So if I click on one of these, you're a nice cat. They're very short clips. Okay, there's the first one. There should be some sound with that. You can see the quality's not great, but you get the idea anyway. Go back again. There's the second one. Yeah. There we go. So, okay. In this Video Manager area, where we are, there's the 3 clips we're going to use. Here's Video Editor. So I click on Video Editor. Okay, we can ignore that. We haven't... oh, it's left with the old ones. Let's just get... Sorry about this. I've left some old stuff in here. We'll get rid of all that. This is what you would see when you first start. I don't know why they were still there. So here's our 3 clips. So let's drag the first clip out of that window into there. There we go. It's done it this time. Okay, it'll automatically start playing it. So that's the first one in there. Second one we'll put after. There we are. And then it starts playing the second one. And there's the third one. That's George, by the way. Anyway, so okay, we've done that. We've got the 3 clips in order, but we haven't done any editing yet. So let's just say with that first clip that we're selected here, we want to just get rid of a bit of the beginning. If I drag this here, you can see it scrolling through the video to different parts, so we can get rid of bits we don't want and bits we do want. So let's just get rid of the bit of the first shake and get him coming up to the camera. And he walks off again there. So let's leave it there before he walks off. Okay. Now on the second clip, he's sitting down, he won't move, he's ignoring me basically. Let's just get a bit of that where he's looking at the camera. There we are. Oh, these are very short clips. Then click on the third clip. Okay, I like that beginning. No, that's where he walks off. There he goes. So he's walked off. Okay. So there's our 3 clips. Now I should be able to if I just let those play now, this will play through that. You can see this timeline moving. It's going through the clips, but they're just cut very quickly. So we want to maybe add a title to that. Let's just stop that. Ooh. And stop it with a pause there. We want to add a title. Censored title is fine. Okay, there we are, and then it brings up a little window, and in here you've got a little text box. So I really can't spell today, it's the coldest where it is. George the cat. Oh dear. No need for capitals all the way through there. Large, medium, you can change the size of your text and the colour if you would so desire. That looks terrible, we'll leave it at that. So now we've got a little title which is on for 2 seconds. Hello. Where is that title? Yeah, George the Cat. Boom, and then it starts the video. Okay, that's enough of that. Just pause it. Now we want something at the end. We'll just drag that title down here. We'll get a new one up. Let's be original. And call it the end. Save. Okay, so now we've got a beginning title which will start playing. There's the cat, there's George, and at the end. Okay, so that's working. Pause that. So in between it, instead of just cutting here, we can add transitions. Seeing as it's Valentine's Day, let's put a heart in there. So now when it crosses from the title to the video, there it comes out in a little heart there. So let's stop that. So we've got different shapes or different types of ways that you might want to overdo this. I'm just showing you that it is possible. You're probably better off with a straight crossfade actually. In fact, we'll put that in. Crossfade's a lot nicer. Blur might work, or a little white there. So now we've got the 3 clips with a title and the transitions. Oh, we haven't put a transition between the end one there. Let's put one there between the title. So now if I click play, George the cat, there he is. There he is again, and there he is again. Okay, so it's a very short video. George, he's very funny. So there is another option here. Now if we don't want to use the sound on this video, and to be honest the sound isn't great, but you might well want to, we can just leave it as it is. But if we want to change that for some music, there's plenty of music available on YouTube. No idea what any of these are like. Let's play that. Actually, we can hear it a bit. Okay, we'll use that one. And all you have to do, if you like the music that's there, you can't put your own on. That's the only thing with this. Only music or favour music. favourite original video. So this allows you to mix the music with your sound that you've already got on there. So you can have music in the background and mix your original sound in, and that's how much you want it. So if we favour original video more on the sound of the there's only the cat meowing actually on this, but if I was talking over it you would hear that better. Or you could just have the sound, just the music rather, or back to the sound, and I think we want it about there. Okay, well I'm quite happy that we've made that video now. If I play it, I suppose. Let's just check the sound's working. Yeah, you can still hear my voice over the top of there. Maybe not the best choice of music, but anyway, we've done it. There's the end. So, okay, we've made a little short video there. If I hit publish, and we'll wait and see what happens. I did hit that, something's happening. Okay, it's telling me there my video's been processed, blah 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 blah. Again, choice to enter a title here. So we will call this George the Cat YouTube Edit. George the Cat YouTube Edit. There we go. You might want to give it a description, things like that. It's obviously public. You're going to need to leave it public because you want people maybe who don't have the link to get the sign in. So okay, so it's been processed. Oh, I need to save the changes there. Save changes. Now, although the video is still being processed, you can imagine if I just refresh the page, see if it's done yet. Oh, it's done. It's done. That's good. So there we are. There's our video playing in YouTube. Sorry for scrolling around like that. Get a little advert there. Now you'll see some buttons down here saying share or embed the video. So if you just want to send somebody the link, it's there for you. You could just copy that, paste it, send it as an email. But what you want to do is put this in a Moodle page. So we're going to need to click this embed tag, which is next to the sharing thing. So if we click on embed, it then gives us some text there, which is already highlighted for us, and some sizes. We don't need to do about that. We don't want it to show suggested videos when the video finishes. That's just annoying. So we'll just unclick that. And so if I again select that text and copy it, press Ctrl C on the keyboard, or if you prefer use edit and copy, but Ctrl C, so select it and Ctrl C. There's the embed code. Now back to my Moodle page. This is the area where I want to put it. Don't need to edit that. YouTube edited samples. Add a resource. Now there's different ways of doing this, but a simple one that we'll put it straight on this page is add a resource and then click on label. Now once you've clicked on label, this is just a text window. You don't want to be typing text in here. We want to click on this edit HTML source button, which you can see there, I've highlighted. Click on that. Okay, this brings up a window with nothing in it. Now I've still got that stuff I copied from YouTube there. So if I hit Ctrl and V on the keyboard, that will then paste that into that window there. So that's fine. Hit update. You can see it's just brought up a black window there. That's all fine. We don't need to do anything more. So just hit save and return to course. Wait for Moodle to go through its stages. And there we are. There's George the Cat embedded in the page. Full screen will still work. Should you need full screen? Look at George. Okay, so there's the end of the video. We can turn editing off now, so we can see how this would look to a normal Moodle user. And there we are. There's the finished edited sample. Now I'm going to place this video that I've just recorded on Moodle as well, so you can see that. I hope that was of some assistance. I can close these windows now. I'll minimize that one. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.